Google's Pixel 11 Pro lineup has already leaked heavily, revealing almost everything from the design to the cameras and upcoming features. But one final mystery surrounding the Pro models is now getting an unexpected twist. The unique LED light built into the camera bar may not even be called Pixel Glow when Google officially launches it. For months, fans have been calling this new feature Pixel Glow after references appeared inside Android 17 beta versions and Google's own teasers. However, a new leak suggests that Google might have a different name planned. According to software researcher Dylan Roussel, the feature could officially launch as Highlight instead. The name change might seem small, but it has already created a debate among Pixel fans. Many users were more impressed by the Pixel Glow name because it matched Google's branding style and gave the feature a more premium feel. Highlight, on the other hand, sounds more like a simple wordplay rather than a major new Pixel experience. But the name is only one part of the story. The bigger question is what this new lighting system will actually do. The Pixel Glow, or possibly Highlight, is expected to be a circular LED system placed inside the camera bar of the Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Unlike traditional notification lights from older smartphones, Google appears to be creating something more advanced with multiple colors and smart interactions. Early Android 17 beta code revealed hints about the feature, describing subtle lights and color effects that appear when the phone is placed face down. Instead of constantly interrupting users with vibrations or sounds, this system could provide quick visual notifications in a more natural way. Reports suggest the LED ring may be able to highlight important calls, especially from selected contacts, and could also provide visual feedback when interacting with Google's Gemini AI features. This means the light may not just be a design element but could become part of Google's push towards smarter AI-powered experiences. Google has already teased the feature several times, showing the glowing effect on the rear camera area. However, many details remain unknown, and the company is expected to reveal everything during its Pixel launch event on August 12th. While some fans are excited about the idea of a new visual feature, others are not convinced. Discussions across online communities show mixed reactions, with some users questioning whether a glowing light is really the upgrade they want from a flagship smartphone. Several Pixel owners believe Google should focus more on improving areas like battery life, charging speed, performance, and camera quality instead of adding decorative features. Others think the concept has potential but believe Google could have made it more impressive by extending the lighting around the entire camera bar. Still, Google has a history of adding unique software and design elements that separate Pixel phones from competitors. Features like the Magic Eraser, call screen, and AI-powered tools helped Pixel devices stand out, and this new lighting system could follow the same strategy if implemented correctly. The Pixel 11 Pro series is shaping up to be one of Google's most ambitious smartphone launches yet, combining upgraded hardware with deeper AI integration. Whether the feature becomes Pixel Glow or Highlight, the real test will be how useful it feels in everyday use. The official launch will finally reveal the purpose behind this mysterious camera bar light and whether it becomes a memorable Pixel innovation or just another unnecessary addition. If the Pixel 11 Pro interests you, make sure to subscribe for more latest smartphone leaks, updates, and detailed tech coverage. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you prefer Pixel Glow or Highlight as the official name?